Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello,
Halo Sobat
Sobat
UNJ.
UNJ.
Welcome to the UNJ's official podcast where we share stories, ideas, and experience about Universitas Negeri Jakarta. This episode is going to be a special one because we have 10 international participants from the Indonesian Arts and Culture Scholarship or IACS. Together, we'll explore how Indonesian scenes felt and experienced through their eyes. And IACS is a cultural exchange program organized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Indonesia. This year, this program is proudly hosted by Universitas Negeri Jakarta, or UNJ, in collaboration with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And here in UNJ, our participants have explored visual arts, music, dance, language, culinary heritage, and even experienced the warm interactions with the local community. In today's podcast, we'll have 3 sections, each focusing on different fields like visual arts, music and dance, and also the language and social media. And I'm Liza Sania from Duta Universitas Negeri Jakarta as your host for the first session that we talk about Indonesia on the world canvas. The first sections, we shall welcome Emmanuel, Poseu, and Pisaman. And how are you guys?
Very good.
Very good? Okay, good. Okay, but before we dive into the questions, let's get to know them a little better. So I'll ask each of you to introduce yourself, like tell us your name, your country, and what do you do for a living. Okay, let's start with Emmanuel.
Okay. My name is Manuel Kiganza. Most of the people know me as Chris Manuel Kiganza. I'm a visual artist from Tanzania. Yeah, I'm so excited to be here today as a part of UNJ family. Yeah.
Okay, Manuel. I want to ask, what do you decide to join IACS program?
First, I can say exposure. And second is experience in art, and I want to have experience from another culture, from another nation, at how they do their art. Yeah.
Okay then. So next we have to learn. Yes, sir. All right. And now let's hear from Poseu.
My name is Poseu Pogato, and I'm from Papua New Guinea. So why I apply for the scholarship is because I'm also the person who interested to learn different cultures from different countries. That's why I apply for the program. So this is good to learn different culture from the different country because some cultures they have same similarities and differences in there. So this would we're gonna learn the culture. So yeah.
Okay then. And the last but not least, Pisaman.
Hello, Sabadi. My name is Pesama. I'm from Laos. Now I am a student in university in Laos.
Okay. Why you decide to join this program, Saman?
I want to learn about culture, another country.
Okay, right. That's so interesting. Yeah, this program is really interesting. And then, I have any questions for you guys. That's to talk about this program and also your interesting, like you are painting, right? And then, I have to ask for the first is Paseu. How do you feel about showcasing your work at the upcoming Betawi Art and Festival?
I'm so genuinely excited about the opportunity for showcasing the Arts and Culture for Arts and Culture Festival. So showcasing about with there's different cultures, and people from different countries came here to learn the cultures and all those stuff, like example like dance, music, dance music and the others. We have to learn that thing. So yeah, it's good that we like broadcast the arts and culture progress. But
Okay then. So the next question I will ask the Emmanuel. Have you found any similarities in techniques or motif between Indonesian art and your country?
Due to the uh,
I'm the wrong question.
sorry, is that my question? That is my question.
Okay. Okay. And now I want to ask Emmanuel, out of all the art activities in UNJ, such as the mural and the batik and also the ceramics, which one was the most memorable for you?
One of memorable thing in those activities, I think it is batik workshop, because batik is so interesting due to the reach of history behind it, history and culture. So they have like a unique pattern. So it was so amazing to me to have like the whole process of prepared from the scratch, like from the ideas sketching to the process of wax melting and dyeing. It was so amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
You remember the
So
process?
yeah, it gave me a lot of experience.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's so inspiring. So maybe if I go back to my country, I can do something in batik. Yeah.
Oh, okay then, because you remember the process.
Yeah.
And it's interesting for you because you are also make something like art in your clothes, yeah?
No.
Okay. And now I want to ask Saman, have you found any similarities in techniques or motifs between Indonesian art and art from your country?
Yes, I found so many interesting and similar things with my country. But Indonesia, I find batik so s-
No, it's interesting for you?
yes,
And you also wearing the batik too, yes?
like this.
Okay, you like this of also. And then I wanna ask Papu again. Papu, if you were to create an artwork about Indonesia, what them would you choose?
a team, you mean team?
Yeah.
My team, if I create the artwork, my team gonna be Unity in Diverse.
Mm.
What's the Unity in Diverse called in Bahasa again? Go.
What?
Kernel 2. I forgot the Bahasa thing, the language, but yeah, Unity in Diverse.
Oh,
If I were to prepare for the team, there's Unity in Diverse.
United States. Okay then. And how about you, Manu?
Can you ask me again?
If you were to create an artwork,
Yeah.
what do you choose?
Oh, I think every artwork, like every art is so unique. So maybe I will start with batik first,
Pick first, yeah.
second mural, because I have like a experience on mural painting. So due to the I have a lot of inspiration right now from Batawi culture. So maybe I can come up with new something in my artwork. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the Saman? I saw you so interesting with mural, yeah. And that the mural is so interesting for you. Yeah, okay then. Okay, thank you for Emmanuel, Poaseo, and Pisaman for sharing your insight and experiences. From what you've told us, it's clear that art is more than just color and the patterns. It's universal language that can connect people across a country. And here at UNJ, we're proud to be a part of Connections Offering a Space where creativity can be inspire each other. And I'm Liza Sania Andriani. Thank you.
Thank you.